Hey everyone, today we are looking at another question from CHIJ, and I can tell you this is one of my favorite, okay, and I want to make it your favorite too, okay? So now as you can see over here, this is obviously a fractions question, right? But I always tell my students this, that if you were to see the word remaining, you know this is ROR. What exactly is ROR? ROR is remainder of remainder. Now, so we are going to identify whether if it's type A, type B, or type C. If you have not watched my ROR question, my ROR video, please do so, okay? Now, so it's definitely a type B, okay? Let me explain to you why. What exactly is type B? Type B is where we are going to draw down, okay? So I'm just going to read the first part of the sentence. It says that Omar spent $162 more than 1/7 of his monthly salary on transport. So what we're going to do, we are going to draw a model 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now pardon the horrible drawing. Now we know that Omar did not just spend 1 unit on transport, but Omar spent a bit more than 1 unit. And because of that, I do not know 162 is how much, right? 162 could be all the way to here, right? I do not know. So what I want to do is I want to drop it down. Okay. I will drop it down and I will estimate, in fact, let me use the word estimate this to be 162. Okay, and I'm going to label them. All right, I'm going to quickly say that this is for transport, and I'll quickly say that this is for transport. Okay, now, of course, sentence number 2, right? It says that he spent $40 less than 1/6 of his remaining salary on groceries. So we are going to draw 6 parts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, did he spend $40 more than 1/6? No, he spent $40 less than. So it's not even 1 unit. Or in fact, because this is units and parts, right? It's not even one part. You get what I mean? The groceries is not even one part. It is only just estimate. Once again, always estimate, because we don't know how big 40 is, right? So we are just going to estimate. We are just going to say, okay, this much is 40, and you did not touch this 40. All you did was you touched this part, and this was for groceries. Okay, this was for groceries. Sentence number 3. He spent 968 on groceries, so we know that this is 968. Now, when I see this, right, what I see is that 968 plus 40 is equals to 1 part. So that is something that you need to take note, okay? But I'm not going to do that first. I'm going to quickly, write down what I can. Sentence number 4, he saved the rest of his salary. That means to say it includes the 40. That means to say this is safe. So what I can see from here is that 1 part is actually equals to 968 plus 40. Okay, so 1 part is equals to 968 plus 40. We get to an answer of 1008. Okay, so that's 1 part. Now, your job as a student is to always move up. Okay, but before I even go to there, right, I just want to read the question because Mr. Greenman is out, isn't it? So 1 part is Mr. Greenman. Now, what does it say? It says how much of his monthly salary did Omar save? So this is basically what they want us to find. And we can see from here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, include and also adding the 40. Okay, all right, I dare not say including because I'm afraid that the word including will make you think that, oh yeah, just 5 parts. No, so 5 parts and add the 40. Okay, so we are going to find 5 parts first. We are going to say 1008 times 5, we get to 5040, and of course we are going to do 5040 plus 40, and therefore your answer has to be 5080, and that is the amount Omar saved. Okay, so once you're done with that, okay, you can see, right, that I have 1 part being 1008. Now the question says, what was Omar's monthly salary? His monthly salary has to be everything from here all the way to here. Okay, so you want to always move up, right? As you can see over here, it says UP, up. Okay, now, so what we can do first is 1 part is actually equals to 1008. Now, how many parts are there over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. Okay, so we find 6 parts first. All right, we simply do 1008 times 6. Okay, when I do 1008 times 6, I will get to an answer of 6048. Not forgetting to add the 162 over here. And when I add this 162, you realize, I don't know if you know what is called mirror image. Whatever that is over here is the same as whatever that is over here. Okay, so what we can say is this, right? Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 units. So these 6 units, okay? So we can simply find 6 units. 6 unit is basically 6048 plus 162. Okay, 6048 plus 162, we'll get to an answer of 6210. Okay, so I know that this is actually 6210. Now, of course, we want to find Omar's monthly salary. So we find 1 unit first. Okay, 6210 divided by 6, we get to 1035. Now, as you can see over here, it says, okay, as you can see over here, it says what? That it is 7 units, right? So we are just going to find 7 units. So we just simply do 1035 times 7. We get to $7,245. And this is your answer for part B. Now, for part C, it says, I want you to find Omar's total salary in 1 over 4 years. Now, what exactly is 1 over 4 years? So let's convert this to something that we know. 1 over 4, you just have to make the denominator to 12. All right, 1 remains there. All right, if I want this to be 12, I would just have to times 3, and then you get 13 over 12. This basically means 1 year, 3 months. Okay, so what do we know? We know that 1 month he makes 7245. So let's find 1 year first, which means to say 12 months. Okay, in fact, I would say to write 12 months will be better. Okay, so 7245 times 12, we get to an answer of 86,940. Of course, you want to add in the 3 months as well. All right, so 3 months, okay, as you can see over here, 3 months will then be 7,245 times 3. Okay, we get to 21,735. So total will be 86,940 plus 21,735. Okay, when you add that up, you will get to an answer of $108,675. And this is your answer for part C.